This is the CSL Thunder Bay. It was built in 1952. It was 663 feet long and 67 feet wide, and it had a depth of 35 feet. Its loaded draft was about 25 feet. The Thunder Bay was converted to a self-unloader in 1964. In 1969, it was renamed the Stadaconia. Here is the stern of the ship where the crew quarters are. This is the galley, and these are the cabins for the engineers, and these are the cabins for regular crew members. Here is the bow of the ship and the pilot house. Here's a close-up of the crew's cabins on the spar deck. This is a side view of the engine room. You can see the 3,600 horsepower Uniflow engine. The car ferry SS Badger also has Uniflow engines, which are pretty much the same thing as what this ship has. Underneath the smokestack are two oil-fired D-type boilers. At the front, there are fuel oil bunkers. Right here are two steam turbine-powered ballast pumps, which were quite unusual. Usually these were electric-powered. This is the main circulating pump. This is the middle engine room, and right here we see the boilers with their electric-powered draft fans. On the left side there is the heating boiler for winter layup. Here is the Skinner and Uniflow engine and its condenser right beside it. Piston engines were uncommon for freighters. Usually they were turbine powered. Here are the two electric feedwater pumps and the air ejectors for removing air from the condenser. At the back are two 300 kilowatt generators. On the right side there is the switchboard. This is the upper engine room. On the left front side there are air compressors. On the right side is a 150 kilowatt diesel generator. This is a locker room and a laundry room. And over here is the machine shop. It appears that this pipe right here carries exhaust steam from the generators to the main condenser. The engine room extends up into the superstructure. Here is where the deaerator is, and the uptakes, and ventilation shafts. These machinery arrangement plans are really cool. In this one, we are looking backwards. We see the Uniflow engine, the front side of the diesel generator. We can see what the air compressors look like. Here is the evaporator, and right here are the condensate pumps. Over here we can see a better look at the steam turbine ballast pumps, which they appear to exhaust into the main condenser, and then we get a view of the deaerator. These machinery arrangement plans are showing from the level of the boiler room. And the one looking to the backwards part of the ship shows the ventilation ducts. You can also see the doors that go through the bulkhead between the engine room and boiler room. Looking forward, we can see the boilers and the heating boiler. These are some D-type boilers that burn oil. They have 3 burners, forced draft fans on the top. It appears that they do not have air preheaters, that the air blows into the boiler trunk and goes into the burners. The burners on the boilers face towards the engine, which is to the rear of them. And you can also see the ballast pump manifolds.
Have you subscribed yet? Do it now, or else the Mr. Poopy Pants is gonna get it. Subscribe. I need the subscribers.